What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company. Today I'm coming at you with another quick juice review. This time we are covering Prophet Prodigy. So let's get started.
Are you listening? Damn.
Alright, so let me start off by saying Prophet Prodigy is supposed to be a citrus cotton candy bubblegum flavor. A little bit complex there. If you have watched one of these videos before, awesome. If you haven't watched one of these videos before, I'm going to break it down really quick for you. We're going to go through the flavor profile, the recommended temperature settings to get the best flavor out of this particular juice, and then we're going to cover where it fits into my lineup of juices. Is it an all-day vape? Is it a dessert vape? Morning vape? First things first, flavor profile. Like I mentioned, it's a little bit complex. A citrus cotton candy bubblegum flavor is a lot to pull off in a single juice, but I think they did quite well. Generally speaking, I'm not a huge fan of bubblegum flavors in general. Generally speaking, I'm not a huge fan of bubblegum flavors, but this particular bubblegum flavor isn't overly gummy. It's nice and sweet, it's very citrusy, very candy-esque, but I wouldn't say it's overly bubblegummy. So if that's something that turns you off of flavors, which I know a lot of people don't like the bubblegum type of flavor, this is definitely one to give a shot because I wouldn't say it's overly bubblegummy. It's more of a candy flavor. It's not overly sweet. So it's got a lot of good things going for it and something kind of different, interesting. I think the citrus cotton candy is a great idea. The bubblegum aspect of it is interesting to me, but I think they pulled it off well, and I definitely recommend you give it a try if it even sounds remotely good to you, because I think it'll surprise you with how complex this flavor is. In terms of the temperature to vape Prophet Prodigy at, I would consider it kind of a wide temperature range type of juice. It's not really necessarily better, hot, or cold. Now, where does this fit into my flavor lineup, into my rotation of flavors? Well, personally, a bubblegum flavor doesn't really fit into the all-day vape category for me, although this flavor is smooth enough, crisp enough, and interesting enough to definitely be an all-day vape if this does intrigue you. I would consider this more of a dessert flavor, but I definitely went through the whole bottle fairly quickly. All of these Prophet brand bottles are 60 ml bottles, what we sell online and in our store. They're going to come in 0, 3, or 6 milligrams. So something to keep in mind. They're going to be free-base nicotine, 60 milliliters, either 0, 3, or 6 milligram of nicotine. So there's that for you. If you're watching this video on YouTube and you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackhouse Vapor Company's YouTube channel. If you're looking at this on our website and you see that product up above, definitely consider it. Is this something worth trying out for you? I definitely would recommend it, especially if you're into candy flavors. Even if bubblegum flavors have failed you in the past, I would recommend giving this one a try. It's different, it's interesting, and it kept me interested and kept me vaping, which is definitely enough for me to recommend it to you. Also, remember, you can come in here and sniff test all of these flavors yourself. 2148 South, 900 East, Suite 3, Salt Lake City, Utah. If you're interested, I definitely recommend that. That is the best way to get a hold of these flavors and really see for yourself if it's going to be something good for you. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. This has been a fantastic day with you all, and we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.
Are you listening?